Macintosh, our only black and white boy from our litter. He's 6 weeks old, and he's the biggest puppy in the litter. He's got this beautiful panda face with black over both eyes and ears. He's got white muzzle and white legs. We'll see his back. He's got a big white collar, and he's got a lot of black down his back, but he's got some white splashing, white tip on his tail, and his back legs. He's got both black and white on. Pull your hand down so we can, yeah. Then his other leg. Okay. And we can put him down and let him play. And the other puppies are, some of the other puppies are out here, but we'll just follow Macintosh. And watch him a little bit. He's so bouncy. They stay in the heat. It's hard to get them on the camera. Oh, got the camera. There's our Macintosh.